Hello everyone, this is Juan from Kenhub and welcome to another anatomy tutorial where this time we're going to be talking about the innervation of the heart. And on this tutorial we're going to be using this image here of the open thorax where you see the heart and a lot of these yellow structures which are representing the main nerves of the heart and also other surrounding structures. On this tutorial, we're going to be talking about afferent and efferent fibers, also parasympathetic and sympathetic fibers. It is important when we look at the anatomy of your heart to also know in detail the nerves that innervate this really important structure, because these nerves are responsible for maintaining and regulating the heart rate as well as the force of each contraction. The first thing we need to know about the innervation of the heart is that both afferent and efferent fibers of the autonomic nervous system contribute to the heart's overall innervation. And as a reminder, afferent fibers will be carrying nerve impulses or sensory information from the receptors in the sensory organs to then the central nervous system, while efferent fibers will carry impulses from the central nervous system to then the effector organ. A very good way I used to remember the difference between afferent and efferent nerve fibers is to use this simple mnemonic. So afferent, A, they arrive, and efferent, E, for exit. This simple mnemonic can help you remember that afferent nerve fibers are carrying impulses towards the CNS or the central nervous system, while the efferent nerve fibers carry impulses away from the CNS to then the effector organs. Let's carry on and talk about the autonomic fibers. The innervation of your heart is derived mostly from the cardiac plexus. As you can see, this structure here highlighted in green. And the cardiac plexus is formed by cardiac nerves which then carry both sympathetic and parasympathetic fibers. As you can also see here on this image, that the cardiac plexus is located just in front of the bifurcation of the trachea. As you see here, this is the trachea, and it bifurcates right here where then you find the cardiac plexus. Now, as for a function, the nerve fibers from the cardiac plexus function to innervate the electrical conducting system of the heart, also the atrial and ventricular myocardium, as well as the coronary vasculature. As I mentioned earlier, the cardiac plexus is made up of both sympathetic and parasympathetic fibers. This video is not over yet. Continue watching now the full video at kenhub.com. We have lots more videos like this one available to our premium members on our website, not to mention all the fun quizzes, related articles, and atlas sections. So click on the button in the middle to watch the full-length video and master anatomy.